Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today in this video I will let to give you an explanation, short explanation and super clear the way how you can activate the DnD or do not disturb mode or focus on your iPhone. So basically this mode is using to prevent any notifications coming up so that you can focus with your work on your mobile phone or in your real life. So how to find the DnD mode on iPhone? You just need to take a look on this upper side, take a look on this left side, and then just swipe down into this area and you will gotta found my bad, you just need to gotta found this type of options, and there could be a free right here. So this is the mode or the focus that you will be facing on, so you just need to tap on it, and there could be a do not disturb, so you just need to tap on this DnD or do not disturb. Right after you're done, just tap back into the blank area. So what if you cannot found that? There will be in a setting that could be a focus here, so you just need to take a look on this one of them, and then you just need to take a look on this do not disturb. You can also creating a schedule where do you want to set this focus being active on your phone. So basically that is the way how you can activate the DnD on your iPhone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.